Hello friends, welcome to Gadget. Today I have with me the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. So I'll be showing you some of the features overview of this device along with some sample footages. So without further wasting more time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black Limited Edition Dusk White variant, and this is an advanced GoPro with hyper smooth stabilization, and you will get a gimbal like experience, and it has got many more features and I will be covering it one by one. GoPro Hero 7 Black offers the same kind of rugged and largely rubbered body as the Hero 6 Black, although the sides of the device are now just as smooth as the front. Build quality of the Hero 7 Black feels just as solid as the GoPro Hero 6 Black. So without a housing, the camera can travel up to 10 meters safely underwater, although you can go even deeper with the optional super suit. So moving to the different modes we have, in the photo mode you will get photo, burst and night mode. So in photo mode you can take the photos in like auto or linear mode, and you will also get you can also set the timer to 10 seconds, 3 seconds, or like depending upon your choice. And you also get a zoom button where you can zoom in and zoom out while taking your photos, and you also get full-fledged controls like changing the ISO or exposure or even the shutter speed. So moving to the next mode is time lapse. So within the time lapse there is a lot of modes available. So the first one is time warp video, time lapse photo and night lapse photo. So there are like four different modes within the time lapse, and the most of them we will prefer is like the time lapse video. So let's go into time lapse video and see like what are the features within that, or what are the options within that. So the first one will be like to choose whether you want to choose a linear mode, like the field of view. You can choose the field of view like wide or linear, and you can also set the time intervals from 0.5 seconds to up till like 5 seconds. So for all the other options like time lapse photo and night lapse photo, you will get all these settings and you can just explore and you can try out. So moving to the video settings of this device, you can shoot this GoPro with up to like 4K 30 fps, and you will get the hyper smooth stabilization at 2.7K. You can shoot at 1080p and the ultra smooth slow motion video at 960 fps. So the major highlight is hyper smooth stabilization or the gimbal like stabilization, which you get at 2.7K. That would be the best setting for the GoPro. So other than that, in the video settings you will get tons of customization. You can select the exposure compensation, you can change the shutter speed, ISO, you can turn on the wide like field of view wide mode or linear mode, and like you will get other options like you can turn on the low light mode, or like you can change the stabilization. If you don't want the stabilization to be on, you can just switch it off. So apart from these, there are a lot more features which I am yet to explore. Some of the features are like quick stories enabled, like GoPro Hero 7 automatically sends your footage to the GoPro app where it transforms into fun, shareable videos with music and effects. The other features is like super photo, which get the best photos automatically with super photo, and it can also shoot photos vertically. That is a new feature that is introduced with the GoPro Hero 7. So like regarding the sample videos, I will just show like one or two sample videos which I took using this GoPro Hero 7. And if you want a dedicated video covering all the features and all the different modes of this GoPro Hero 7 Black, please let us know in the comment section and we will definitely make a video.